Hey there, welcome back. We have discussed almost all the features with agents in detail, and we have walked through the development of each of these features. So let's have a quick recap with a small capstone project where we'll be configuring all these discussed features of agents. Assume that we are creating a policy for a fictitious organization called GlobalBank Group, and we are trying to configure these uh, policies at the org level and at the department level, under each department. On the policy levels are defined. Next, we'll register them. We're registering all the policies that we have created. Now we'll be running a quick task for compliance as AML analyst. So what an ML analyst does is it'll search for the transactions for AML screening and flags it if it sees any patterns or suspicious transactions or KYC issues. So it has seen some transaction history with 3 international wires over 25K, some structuring pattern observed. So it has raised a red flag, and also there are some KYC profile which is overdue for 18 months. So customer has been flagged for enhanced investigation due to suspicious transaction. Let's try to run another task from the customer department. There is an order. Was marked delivered, but refund of has been issued. The refund should be processed within 3 to 5 days. This is the customer care department for a damaged order. Let us go for IT and DevOps. Here we are creating a small task to deploy a production deploy into a production along with the change ticket. So we already have a change ticket, and we are asking to deploy the API gateway or similar action which we had seen in the previous videos. Yeah, so there are 2 tasks here. As you can see, the first task has provided the change ticket number, so it has been allowed. And there is a second task which is trying to do without a ticket number, so which has been intercepted and stopped by the SD AI control plane. Similarly, we have two tasks run for customer care department. There's a small refund value of $89.99. So it was under the threshold which has been processed. And there's a second one which is escalated. So here we can see multi-tenancy, firewall, everything as a quick recap of all the videos that we discussed prior. And we can take a look at the governance dashboard also here. Also, we can quickly see visually how this organization governance hierarchy looks like. So this is how we have configured the policy. There are two policies under the organization level, and each of these departments, that is customer service, IT ops, medical compliance, have their respective department level configurations or policies. And under that, there are sub applications. Applications have their own policies which are configured. And then comes the next layer, that is the agent level. And at last, we have all the tool calls. And here we have the enterprise infrastructure. So this is how the multi-tenancy framework of policies work, or rather it's configured. This is amazing. I hope you are thrilled to see how agents work. Thank you all for watching. Keep supporting us and contact me for this new AI control plane concept idea and to know more about agents product. Thank you. This is Pawan Kumar signing off.